a ghost from beyond our stars has come alive. Atlas, the most talked about space object of recent times, has again shown a mysterious behavior. First identified as a fleeting guest, this comet is now revealing a core secret. Recent telescopic data shows not a smooth, passive ice ball, but a body scarred by extreme thermal activity. Scientists call them ice volcanoes. These cryovolcanic vents are rupturing the comet's nucleus, blasting massive jets of frozen carbon monoxide and water vapor into the vacuum.